Sushant Singh Rajput's demise sent shockwaves across the nation. While fans couldn't believe that the beloved actor was no more, many Bollywood celebs took to Twitter expressing their grief. But there were some who claimed that Sushant's suicide was the result of big production houses working against the actor to keep him from getting films. The Bandra police, probing the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, is now probing a professional rivalry angle in the case. A senior officer of Mumbai police said that it would be great if anyone can come forward and help them in the probe. The officer was hinting at director Shekhar Kapoor's tweet. In a message on Twitter, Shekhar Kapoor wrote that he knew the pain that Sushant was going through and the story of the people who let him down. He also revealed how the actor would weep on his shoulder because he was let down. Kapoor further wrote that he wished he was around the last 6 months and also wished Sushant would have reached out to him. He concluded the tweet by saying, "What happened to you was their karma, not yours." The tweet raised several eyebrows as it hinted that Sushant may have taken the drastic step because of professional rivalry. Home Minister Anil Deshmukh also said that the police will probe professional rivalry in the case. A senior police officer confirmed the development with Midday, saying that they will soon record the statement of his business manager to understand his finances and if there was any professional rivalry that triggered the drastic step. His former managers will also be called to record their statements. On June 16th, the Bandra police recorded the statements of Rajput's 3 sisters. Statements of the deceased's family and close ones are being recorded, and those of the cook and manager who were present in the flat at the time of the incident will be recorded again, said the officer, who's a part of the investigating team. The police is yet to establish the reason behind the suicide of the actor, who had consulted a senior psychiatrist from Bandra a few months ago. According to sources, the police have not yet recorded a detailed statement of the doctor. They have had a basic interaction with the psychiatrist whom Rajput allegedly visited along with his girlfriend Riya Chakraborty. The police may record her statement too. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.